Okay, so today we are going to see about something called data table. Data table. So which you have seen as Excel files and everything, that how to store the data in Excel file. Uh, but what is actually this? If you want to create a data table in RPA itself or UiPath itself, how to do that? Okay, so that's one point we need to say it, that how to do data table creation in RPA. So there is functionalities which can be used to create data table in RPA. Okay, uh, or a UiPath, this thing. So so what is a data table? So prior going to data table, let me go through a little more about strings. Okay, we'll come to this. This is our main topic. But something I want to tell you so that you can practice on your own. That is called string manipulation. Okay, prior coming to data table, because this variables and data, these things we need to check it out. Okay, so what is data manipulation? Then so our major topic is today is data table creation, because maximum of our data, whichever we are going to scrape from other website or anything, we are going to store it as a tabular format. Okay, so we are going to see that what is this data manipulation, what is string manipulation, and what is data table manipulation collection, its types and manipulations. Okay, so I'm going to see these things. Right, let me start directly from this sixth. Okay, so data manipulation, what is it? Is a process where the data is altered to do various operations. So if you remember in message box operations, when we are giving a number, it was a created a issue. So we have given something during our read range activity, if you remember, two string, right? So that will be easily obtained, that whether the detected variable what we obtained from the website, whether it is number, numerical, or string, we do not know. So for a safer operation, what we did, we use a two string conversion, right? And so that we'll able to easily show in message box without any harm, right? So that is one kind of data manipulation. So why data manipulation is important? Because it makes data easier to read. It process and organize the raw data before it can be used for a useful application. It customize data according to your users need, right? So suppose I want to put data to a website, right, which is only accepting the string elements, it is not accepting numerical element, but I have to put a number in there, right? So in those cases, if I can able to send my numerical data from my Excel file as a string, right, then my problem is solved. So that's where the data manipulation is important, right? So common data manipulations are retrieving, specify, conditioner, or extract, filter, or summarize data, right? uh, Retrieving some data. Now suppose you scanned a, sorry, you read PDF, and you want to extract a particular line out of it, right? Data retrieving, then adding. So you want to add new data in the data structure, right? Or we want to add in new data in, append the data in the table, right? So adding the data, that is also kind of data manipulation. Then you want to delete something, that is also a kind of data manipulation. Modifying, to change the existing entries to that structure, right? So I want, so previously I am given a fixed entry like 324 something. Now I want to give input entry by user input, so I can put a input dialog into that. So that kind of different data manipulation we have to take care during our automation, right? So these things actually we have seen here, or this is also part of your self study actually. So this is not in the curriculum whatever they are. Even if you go and learn from the UiPath educators, they also don't teach this part. But just to check up your understanding and to help you, I'm again reiterating this thing. So data conversion, the process of converting type of data to another type. I already give you example, right? So here you can see that assignment, simple assigning the data value to the desired data type. That means you are just declared that, okay, this is the string variable from the starting, I will declare it, right? Or this is a numerical variable, or this is a generic variable from the starting, we'll declare it. Then so one, the common type is to string method, convert any data type to string. So you want to showcase this thing, hello plus my date now to string. So it will see what is hello today date is this, time is this, right? So similarly, hello, my date is this, to string data is this, right? May 2020. So generic variable, it can store any kind of data automatically converted to other data types. We have already seen this thing, right? So this is again two-string method I have already taught you. So just to showcase ki this is one part of actually whenever you go this thing na this learn from this corporate educators. So what they do, they break these small things into lot many things. So they teach the same thing whatever we teach, but what they do, they break into lot many smaller subsections, and so that they can cover the time, right? So if the content is of suppose 15 hours, so they can stretch it to 25 hours, right? But in our cases this is 30 hours, even solid 30 hours including your doubt clearing sessions, right? So those things you usually lack when you go for this Edureka or this kind of guys, right? So these are the exercise this is the same exercise you will be getting this. So only importance I am going to tell is this string manipulation. So it is a little bit interesting. So how to manipulate strings. So suppose I want so lot many, if you have seen movies, what they do, they take so I've, whether you have seen or not, in text-to-speech editors, lot many companies, lot many what the unethical people or the hackers, what they do, they uh, copy your speech format and take out the data, right? And take out the data what they want, the speech variables, then input this those speech format together and try to hack into your systems and everything, right? So if you so that is also one kind of string manipulation, because they what they do initially, we also try to do that. Is a not very difficult process, right? That is called audio inpending process. So what you do, first convert your text speech to text, then extract what text you require, right? Then what you do, stitch those text again, convert it into text to speech, right? So string manipulation is a very interesting one. So
Sir,
get it?
can you please excuse me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, can you please repeat that regarding audio topic so that we
So
will write?
audio top. See, this is not. This is just an example I'm giving. That audio, what happens now when you the what hackers do, they usually convert. So suppose some keyword you are given to unlock your door. Okay, unlock your door. So but how you are not give some unauthorized person want to access that door lock mechanism, right? So what they do, they manipulate the process of manipulation is speech to text conversion, right? Convert your speech to text, then extract the particular keyword out of it. So suppose you are saying that abracadabra, right? You, whenever you say abracadabra, it will open. So it, you might not have said always abracadabra, but in some space you might have played this abracadabra, but your voice is important, right? So it will extract that abracadabra word out of it, right? Then there is something called audio inprinting. This is a very different technology. We are not going to discuss. We are going to so deeper into what it is called AI, right?
So
So
that audio one is hypothetical.
that's not hypothetical. It is possible. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Okay, whatever I say in this class, that is all possible subjects, right? The audio, but the example is hypothetical. Okay, right. So what string is the data type, corresponds to text, contains sequence of text. It is used at any time. So first name, last name, city name. So because string is a widely used data type, right? So maximum, if you are telling that the doctor is good, right? So it's a string type. So you cannot give a numerical parameter to a doctor. Only you can rate, okay, this doctor is a good pediatrician or a gynecologist or a surgeon, right? You can but 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 you cannot define how good he is. So how good he is has to be done through a qualitative measure, qualitative statement. So all the qualitative statements are text and they are string. Okay. So
The
methods of,
qualitative on what basis, sir?
I'll give you an example. You are saying that the doctor is good. How good is? How you are going to explain it?
As per qualification.
No, lot many people do not have better qualification. A garage mechanic knows more than a mechanical engineer in terms of automobiles, right? Exactly, the number of successful cases. right? So you have to write it down. So suppose someone told you to explain this doctor how good he is, so you have to tell him using a statement. That means it is what it is, a text string, right? It is not a numerical string, it is not a number. You are telling, you are not going to tell me, okay, I am giving five, this guy a 5 out of 6, sorry, 10 out of 5, so 5 out of 10, it's not possible, right? You cannot explain, so you can just give a number, you don't know. So maybe this doctor is not good for you, but he is maybe good for some other patient, right? So that those statements are qualitative. So qualitative statements has to be defined using string characters, not numeric characters. So string is basically text, letters, numbers, sorry, letters, words, that is text, and that is string. Okay, so where no admission without. So one interesting thing about this Google Meet is that it will detect your email ID better. That's I love like it. Okay, so a method of string manipulation. This is same whatever we did in Excel. Concat, contains, format, right? Index of, someone is trying to join from outside. Yes. So these are this thing details. You can go about this details of this joining, replace, splitting up substring from your RPA developers this course, fundamental course of RPA developer in the UiPath this thing. So this, so there you will get these examples more, not those examples which is so real time classic examples which you will see from modernization or automation. Those examples are not there. So that's why you better go read these basics from there. Okay. Then
Sir, can you please explain these parameters because I'm not from
no,
this branch.
no, you study this thing from the developers. This thing, there is a lot many definitions and examples there. Okay, then we'll discuss. If you are not, because my topic, this all these things we have already done, completed, right? In between. So splitting of a string means you are splitting based on index. So I need to just a second. I have to share my. Sorry, I have to put. Just need to get the pin. I can show you here. अरे यार क्यों आउटसाइड की डिजाइन कर रहे हो? Just a second, let me drag out the pane. Where is that pane? Yes. Okay. Just let me bring a pen. Okay, so what is string? Just I'll give you one example. Others you can see. So concat means joining two specified strings. Okay, so the command is string.concat. This one. This is the command string.concat. Okay, so string.concat. What it will do? So suppose you have two strings. So suppose one is okay. So suppose you have one string s is equal to I am, and another string t which is equal to a teacher. Okay. So now suppose you write that string.concat s comma t. So this suppose x equal to string.concat s comma t. So your output of x will be equal to I am a teacher. Understand? Right?
So what did you write before string.concat?
So I give two strings. So suppose s is one string. S equal to I am. Okay. T equal to a teacher. So I want to add this to make a complete sentence. I am a teacher. Understand?
So what have you written over there before str?
This one.
So what did you write?
This string dot concat. In
st
bracket.
str.concat.
String.concat. I'm just writing this thing. My handwriting is like that only. I'm writing this one. Okay, the same thing you can write for this. So index means if you find, so suppose you have a word is equal to, suppose s is a string, suppose string is equal to car, right? Is equal to car, right? Now suppose if you gave var name one dot index of a, right? So index means, so this is zero index, this is first index, this is second index. Now so suppose you write s of 0, right? This is called s of bracket of 0, this is called s of 0, then the value you will throw it c. If you write s of 1, it will throw the value a. If you write s of 2, it will be going to throw the value of r. So that is called indexing. So index of, so you can get that using in, or if you use var name dot index. So suppose you write s dot index of c, right? So c is at the location 0, so the output will be going to get 0. Okay, now so suppose you write s dot index of a, right? So you will get the location first, that is 1. Okay, that is called string manipulations. Okay, so like that there is lot many examples. You can follow up one example of this. Then regex. So this so regex, computer science guys, you remember regex?
Yes, sir. To match expressions.
So what does it do?
Sir, it matches expression like if we have some substrings in a given string, it can
Exactly. So
help.
someone was asking me that day, can we extract PDF or line from PDF? So this is your guy. Okay, regular expression. Okay, so regex builder, so it specifies search pattern that can be used to easily match, locate and manage a text. So suppose there is a word which is, there is a story about mango, right? So mango is a fruit, mango is of different colors, right? You write essays in child line. Now suppose someone is told count how many mangoes are there, right? How many mangoes in that essay? So you can use regular expression and count command to count how many mangoes are there, right? How to use it. So डू वन थिंग, जो डिप्लोमा वाला कोर्स है पहले उसको पढ़ो, ये वाला पार्ट एक्चुअली मेरे इसमें नहीं है। अगर मैं इसको पढ़ाना बैठा ना, मेरा 30 आवर्स में कंप्लीट भी नहीं होने वाला है, जितना भी एग्जाम्पल है ऑटोमेशन। सो इफ आई स्टार्ट टीचिंग दिस थिंग, आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्लियर द हाइपर ऑटोमेशन पार्ट ऑल्सो और ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन ऑल्सो। सो डू वन थिंग, just refer your this thing, or if you are not able to get those videos, tell me, I have downloaded videos also of that. Okay, RP Developer Association, I will share you how to do this thing. So this will be in your lecture 6, remember, 6th lecture of your RP Association, Developers Association. Okay, certificate.
Can you please share the PPT number?
Lectures 4, 5, 6 I said, I think 4 I have said, 4 shared, I have 4 I have said, 5 and 6 will be there. I will share, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, you can use regular expression. Yes, yeah, you can write it directly for string dot content expression, this one, no? Yeah, exactly. Okay, so regex builder in UiPath, there are 3 activities that uses regex builder, right? So well, you study this one, regex builder, from your this thing. Now if you are not able to understand this, I will take an extra session at the end after the everything completed on regex. Okay,
Sir, actually, so without explanation, it will be difficult to understand.
so there are explanation videos are there, na? You read from there.
Where, sir?
And I told you to do that diploma course at the starting, na, of UI from the UiPath along with this curriculum. That is that given in the lecture 1 of your Google Classroom also. Search in your lecture 1. I've given a PPT where to register this thing. Go to your academy.uipath.com. Go to the second page. There is RPA Developer Foundation course is there. Right, you have to complete that course. That is also part of this one. Na? That's what I explained in the starting of the class. That you have
So
to
will
complete.
we get video recording from there?
You will get, yeah, exactly, of this. All the video recordings are there, but there is you will not get the large examples we do like this automations, PDFs. You will get all these fundamental videos. Okay, so you have to complete that. That is a 39-hour course. Okay, you have to complete, then you will get a certificate from UiPath directly. Ajay, you are a diploma in RPA Developers Association, Developers Foundation course. Okay,
So can you write link in the chat box?
everything is there in your lecture 1. Go and search in the lecture 1 material in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
तो time limit नहीं है, but I suggest complete it by June end, because from 7th of July they are going to change that course. Okay, so it may be, हाँ तो बट मुझे जितना कल नियत से बात हुआ था जो यूआईपाथ का कोऑर्डिनेटर है किट के लिए, वो बोला कि स्टूडेंट को बोलो 7 जुलाई के अंदर कंप्लीट करने के लिए. ठीक है, I don't know na sir, he didn't tell me, how could I know? Yeah, there may be syllabus change, or there may be something. They make it, what I heard, they will make this course smaller, and they will give you a basic diploma certificate, and charge the for the full course they will start charging. Okay, so rather than now it's free, completed within 7th of July. Okay. So why he told me that after that there may be server issues like that. He didn't tell me directly. Na, he told me that, so that's what I told you. Better to complete within June. That should be sufficient for everyone, for us. Okay. Right. Okay.
सर आज प्रैक्टिकल सेशन होगा हम लोगों का.
Okay. Okay. Sudipta, mute yourself. Okay. So what we are going to say, so the main topic what you require right now is so regex builder. What I will do, if try to learn from that UiPath Academy. If you are not able to do it, I will take an extra session at the end on regex builder. I have a couple of examples on that also. I can show you. Okay, but today's session is on data table manipulations. So introduction to data tables, creating data table, activities of data table manipulation. So let's go through this PPT for once, then we'll start doing this thing. Okay. So a data table is an in-memory representation of a single database table, which has columns of rows name and columns. So data table is nothing but it's basically a table. So suppose you have created a table. Okay, so you created a table. So this contains name. So this is, suppose N stands for name. Okay, name, roll number, CGPA. So these are the tables we make for during placement. CGPA, whether he have backlogs or not, right? So these are what. So suppose I am giving a name. Name is a string variable. If I am giving a roll number is a integer variable. CGPA is a string variable. Backlog, right? So what kind of variable we can take for backlog? So that will say whether he has backlog or not.
Sir, we can take that boolean.
Exactly, good. So we can take a boolean, right? We can take boolean is so
either
we can put
1 0 or that true,
yeah,
false,
true or
or
false. Yes, we can put 0 0 1, yes, no, true, false, right? So you can take a boolean out of it. Correct. Then if you say if this is yes, then the table will fetch which subject he has backlogs, right? In that case, that column becomes a numerical that becomes a string column. Okay, so like that you create data table. So we have data table builders in UiPath inbuilt, so that suppose you want to create an Excel file, right? So by giving user input, right, not taking data from anywhere, by giving user input, that also you can do. Okay, that is, so there is different methods are there how to create data tables. So one is using, this is your inbuilt UiPath method. So this is my inbuilt method, UiPath. Okay, so build data table. Build a reliable structure for data table, allows to customization of number of columns and types of data for each column. Right. Next is read range activity. So read range activity we have already seen. Right. What read range activity was doing? So read range activity, it was reading a Excel file. Remember, reading an Excel file. Okay, reading an Excel file. Similarly, there is another type of structure, tabular format is available, that is called CSV. What CSV stands for?
Comma separated values.
Good, reading CSV value. So CSV is called comma separated values. That means each data is in a comma separated stage, right? So suppose I am writing, so this is name, roll number. So I'm creating a table. Sorry, first roll number रहता है ना. So roll number and name. So rather than creating a proper demarcated table, I can create something like that. So roll number, suppose 1, name is XYZ, right? Row section A, right? House number, suppose department mechanical, right? So this is this, if you get any data table in this format or any data in this format, that is called comma separated value format. So one, so that also can be counted as a data, where these are called delimiters. This is called, this comma or space, they are called delimiters, which can
So
be
can you spell it?
delimiter. Limit से पहले D लगा दो, DELIMIT, delimit, delimiter ER. Okay, so reading CSV. So reading CSV is also, so CSV files can also be opened using your Excel sheet. Okay, Microsoft Excel or WPS Excel, you can open read CSV file, right? Then
But through what? But how can we determine that these are a comma separated value?
so it will be there. The extension will be like that. Suppose it is Excel, so it will be xyz dot XLSX, right? This is for Excel files, right? So if it is xyz dot CSV, then it is a CSV file. It will be file name. You will understand by looking to the file name itself. Okay.
But so how that comma separated value, that I did not follow, sir.
Like this, no? I told you, no?
We have to put always
No, no, no,
comma.
no, 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 no. You don't have to do this. Anything. You don't have to do this thing. So suppose you got a comma CSV file from internet, right? You can directly use that to read it. That program will understand it. You do not have to do anything. Okay. So suppose you want to store that as a CSV file, you can store it, right? The program will automatically do it, or the software will automatically do it. Okay. You don't have to do anything. Then comes data scraping. So enable the user to extract structured data from browser, application, or document to a data table. So we have done this example. Remember Web to Excel in Zomato? Remember the Web to Excel, or that other example, what we did for Zomato, we did for Amazon AI books, some we did. So we have enabled that one. So if you remember, the output was storing as underscore data table format. Okay, that is called data scraping. Okay, so
So can you
demonstrate
explain it that
data scraping we have done now. Web to Excel. You check the video of Web to Excel in lecture 5,
sir,
6.
actually I was absent at that time.
Then you have to so data scraping. So Actually, it's not that simple process. We'll give you example indirectly in UiPath then. Wait. So demonstrate how to build data table and output data table activities to store phone numbers in a data table and print in output. So let's see whether we are able to do it or not. So this is a very simplest example. Okay, this is the simplest example we are going to do. Let me just a second. Yes, I am streaming from the other channel na, that I am recording from that one. That is lesser student na, so it is easy to record it from there. So let me check it out. Just let me share the screen. Okay, just let me share my. Okay, is UiPath visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let me create a simple data table. Okay, thank you. Simple data table exercise. Okay. हाँ किसको बोल रहा हूँ किसका UiPath का किसका किसका बोल रहे हो हाँ 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 उसको डबल क्लिक करने से खुल जाएगा किसमें बोल रहे हो प्रोसेस खुलेगा बट यहाँ पे जब खुलने के बाद यहाँ पे तुमको एग्जीक्यूशन करने नहीं देगा ठीक है तब तुम एक काम करना ना कम्युनिटी एडिशन डाउनलोड कर लेना वो फ्री है उस मैक्सिमम चल जाता है उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है ओके सो सपोज वी वांट टू क्रिएट ए डेटा टेबल राइट तो data table you have to go to activity search or you have to plus or click plus and search over here wherever you want to search your use so what you have to do the if you remember the question was to demonstrate how to use build data table and output data table activity to store phone numbers in a data table and print it in the output panel in string format okay so you have to print the data in a message box in a string format okay so for that you need to bring this one that is called build data table, right? Build data table. Sorry, someone is. Okay, so what you have to do first, you have to search for data table, right? Once you get the data table, from the data table segmentation, click build data table and drop it here. Okay, now you have to click here. यहाँ तक समझ में आया? इसके बाद click here यहाँ पे this data table, right? So here you can manipulate the names and everything by clicking this one. So what is the this thing that you have to give the name and the phone number, okay, and to show the output in a string format. Remember, name and phone number and show in the string format. Okay, that means both the cases will be shown as string, not this thing. Understand? That is the point. So you can, how to do this is the symbol to edit, right? Okay, so column 1, so suppose column 1 I am giving serial number. Okay, serial number. So serial number is a numeric variable. Okay, I am not allowing null values. Okay, just a second.
Sir, please repeat last step.
Just a second. कैंसिल किया इसको, क्लिक किया डेटा टेबल, राइट? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? करेक्ट, राइट? नाउ आई वांट टू एडिट दिस थिंग, so I want first something like serial number 1. Understand? Serial number 1, name of the employee, phone number of the employee or employee ID. Okay, employee ID लिख देते हैं, छोटा होगा, फोन नंबर लिखने में टाइम जाएगा. Okay, so first column will contain serial number. So this, click this icon, you have to edit serial number. Okay, I am changing the serial number to int32, that is integer data. I am not allowing null. Null means the column should not have any blank spaces or zero value. Okay, so I can use auto increment because this is serial number, so serial number will go from 1 to 3 like that. Okay, right? So here you can put the data 1. I need to restart, just a second. My okay, sorry, so that was some error and I restart. Okay, so I have to do everything at the start. So I'm just looking. Column name, first one is serial number. It is okay, right? I can change like this. You can bring this one like this by holding. Okay, change the location. You can bring this one like this. This one, click. When the hand symbol comes, click and drop. Okay, similarly, second column, name of the employee, name. So name will be a string variable. Okay, so maximum,
We can have only 2 columns.
which one?
We can have
No,
only
no,
2
no, no, we
columns.
can add
at
more
max.
columns. See here, serial number this, name this. हाँ, इस बाय डिफॉल्ट स्ट्रिंग आएगा, ठीक है। सो बाय डिफॉल्ट, हाँ व्हाट नहीं करना है, null allow means you, whether you want blank space in that location. So if it is serial number, I am arranging serial number, why I need blanks? Okay, so here suppose column name is employee ID, right? Employee ID, employee ID is a numerical number, so here you can allow null, right? Some people may not have employee ID, they are on suppose temporary jobs. Okay, so suppose serial number 1, then put it, so tab will work. So if you want to do this thing one, then if you want to go to this, either you can double click here or you can click here, then put tab. Okay, tab name, so suppose name is Daniel, right? So employee ID 001, right? Okay, right. Why it's restarting, I don't even know. System I don't know what. So do one thing. Don't put tab at the last. Don't use tab. I think that is the issue. Okay. I try using mouse clicking. So one, mm, two, two. Three. So I've created this data table, right? So this, now what you need, you have to store the data table. Okay. So that's the problem. Don't use tab, use mouse click.
सर लास्ट पे एक
नहीं 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 सुनो, सेव करो, मतलब ओके करो, ओके करके फिर से खोलो, आएगा, देख रहे हो? 4, right. So now we have to store this in the data table. Okay, so control K. So हाँ error पता
सर वो वाला डेटा टेबल एक बार खुलिए
टैब यूज मत करो, टैब है एंटर कहीं पे बीच में यूज मत करो, ठीक है? एरर मार रहा है। Then also it's showing. Then restart at least 2-3 times. I think after 2 restarts mine is working. Okay. Right. So build data table. Once the data table is created, you have to store the output in a tabular format, right? If you see, so I have stored, go to output, as usual process, how to do control K, create the variable, right? Then you have to go to activity and show how to showcase the output, right? So for that, there is something called output data table activity. Okay, output data table. You have to click here, right? Then what is the output text? The output. So what is this? So the output of the data table is a string, right? So remember why you have used this one. Output data table is a string because the question was asked us to create, right? To create the data table as a string format. Okay. So input to the data table. So what is the input we have to take? So written into string. So input is from this particular. So we have to give this one to this input, right? So here you have to define that employee detail. कुछ तो था, हाँ, employee detail, right? Now you have to define your string output. So here again, click Control K to define the variable, right? So I'm defining emp underscore converted. Okay.
तो टेबल में तो सर एक ही रो आ रहा है और रो कैसे ऐड कर?
एक रो आ रहा है ना, सुनो देखो, इसको मैंने किया, अभी मेरा 4 रो दिखा रहा था, ठीक है? देखो ये 5वां लिखा मैंने यहाँ पे, ठीक है? 5वां लिखा, सपोज नाम दिया कुछ, फ्रेम ID 029। अगर तुम्हारा नहीं आ रहा है तो उसको ओके करके फिर से खोलो, आ जाएगा, ठीक है? आउटपुट डेटा टेबल ये वाला, हाँ ये नीचे वाला, यहाँ से एक्टिविटीज है, एक्टिविटी में डेटा टेबल सर्च करो, हाँ डेटा टेबल यहाँ पे है, आउटपुट डेटा टेबल। सो आउटपुट डेटा टेबल का काम क्या है? सो इट विल टेक इनपुट डेटा टेबल ऑफ एनी फॉर्मेट एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू string, because our question was, if you remember, if your question was, the question was to, if you see this question, the question says create a data table, store 5 phone numbers in it, print the phone numbers in a string format in the output panel. Understand? So we have to print it in a string format. Okay.
सर ओके करने के बाद भी सर वो टेबल नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा है?
नहीं सर।
रिस्टार्ट कर,
सर एरर बता रहा है।
रिस्टार्ट कर दो, रिस्टार्ट कर दो, 2-3 बार रिस्टार्ट कर दो, हो जाएगा। मेरा तो 3 बार के बाद हुआ ना अभी। और एंटर टैब एस्केप ये यूज मत करो कीज। हाँ हर बार रिस्टार्ट मांग रहा है।
यस सर।
तो सिस्टम रिस्टार्ट लेगा एक बार, क्योंकि कल भी मेरा सेम चीज हुआ था इसको करने में, क्या बोलो तो PDF रीड करने में, तो मैंने सिस्टम रिस्टार्ट किया, फिर ठीक से चल रहा है फिर। ठीक है, देख लो, बाद में प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, ठीक है? इसको सेम प्रोसेस। सो आउटपुट डेटा टेबल, नाउ इन आउटपुट डेटा टेबल के लिए इनपुट यहाँ से आएगा, ठीक है? सो यू हैव टू स्टोर वट एवर डेटा टेबल नेम, यू हैव टू गिव दिस एज ए इनपुट, right? So here I have stored this as employee details. Okay, so that will, this employee detail output from this build data table functionality is going to input for that. Then this output data table functionality will convert this one to a string format. So that output I am given as employee underscore con. Okay, so employee underscore con में दिया, फिर उसके बाद इसको print करने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? Message box. So I need yeah, not an issue, right? Any name, right? So you have to give this as a message box. Okay, so in message box you have to choose the string, right? So the string input was, what was the input? Employee underscore con, right? So this is the converted output. So let's see whether it is working or not. Okay, so you can see the output, serial name. So this comma you are seeing, right? Those who are asking what is comma separated values, right? So this is basically, this is your comma separated value. By default it is created, right? serial
So how
number.
it is comma separated value?
How? Look to the data na output.
So comma must be there, na?
Yeah.
In between. Where is comma?
String. Use string. If you are using email ID, na, give it as a string. Okay.
Sir, not following.
No, this is for another one. So this is comma separated, na. So one. So serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Comma name. Name is Sam, Don, West, Dale, Rame, right? Employee ID is 12, 23, 43, 32, 9, right? So all these values are comma separated. So this can be a column. If you look here to the UI path, they looks like a column, right?
Yes, sir.
But when they come as output in a message box in a string format, right? So that came as a comma separated values. So that there is a comma in between each term, right? If you see
Where
this
is
one,
comma?
just see. Yeah, can you able to see
Comma
it?
where it is, sir?
Can you see this one? Message box, can you see? Are you able to see the message box?
Serial number, name, employee ID. But
Yeah,
between them
there
is there
there is
any
a comma
presence
in
of
between,
comma?
na? There is a comma in between, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The separator is a comma, so that's why it's a comma separated value.
Throughout all the column will it be there?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So because of comma, can we say that it is comma separated value, or is there any other
So
reason?
by default, the UiPath is storing the data in its memory as a CSV file. Okay, comma separated value file, not Excel file. Understand that?
So, but what is the reason behind this? Like because of comma
Yeah,
is it
yeah, yeah,
there,
yeah.
or
You
any
can you
other
can
thing?
write range this into an Excel file. Okay, you remember, right? The variable is declared right here.
Okay.
You can write which one? This one.
सर ऑब्जेक्ट डेटा टेबल कैसे आएगा सर?
यहाँ से डेटा टेबल सर्च करो, एक्टिविटीज में जाके डेटा टेबल सर्च करो ना
ओके सर.
सर. हाँ हाँ, नहीं तो मैसेज बॉक्स को क्या इनपुट जाएगा, उसको सिलेक्ट यहाँ पे वही सेम सेट करो, कंट्रोल के सेट.
So
So yes,
whenever comma is present, then we have to consider it as a CSV, na?
yes, comma between two columns.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay, sir.
Right. You can also right range this one, right? Remember, right range activity, right range. Okay, so you can right range this one also. So you can give this one something like, suppose I want to give it as what, data table dot xlsx. That means my Excel file, right? Uh, I am just doing Control D so that I don't want this two operation to run. Control D means disable those operations or commenting. So sheet 1, I want the whole workbook. Data table. Data table is employee record, employee details, right? Let's see it is working or not. So there is no error. That means the data table has been created, but we have to see where it is created. Okay. So sorry, this one another I did simple data. Right. So you can see that this is the Excel file is created here. Right. Correct. You can add header also. I have not added header. You can add header also, right? So you can do one thing. I forgot to add header, right? Here in right range, add headers. Okay, add headers. Once you do the header, just a second.
Sir, can you show it again for header?
Just a second. Just muting for a second. Coming. This. हाँ. This error. What this error? No, this is not error. So we'll start and try, but what I can do, this is because their ID is behaving funky. No, why should I have to, so say right range, this is Excel file I am generating. Okay, I can print anything into Excel file. It may be numeric or it may be string. Okay. So header here, you have to add header, right? Header, then save it, then run it. Let's check where it is. It is completed. Let's start the storage. To press it. Okay. Now you can see the header came. Yeah, that's what. Okay. So this is how you will build data tables, and so do one thing. We'll explore this thing and we'll continue tomorrow in same class in Zoom, so that will not have any issue. Okay. Try do one thing, restart your system and then try, because yesterday also I have the same problem, but after restarted it was started working. Okay. Okay, take care, bye.
सर आउटपुट डेटा टेबल के बाद कुछ करना था क्या?
I have taken the screenshot for the Google Class. Not one.
ओके सर.
सर 2-3 बार रिस्टार्ट करने के बाद भी सर वही दिखा रहा है.
XLX, हाँ XLX कर लोगे तो Windows 93 फॉर्मेट में स्टोर होगा ना. हाँ.
सर
Yeah, I'll send him today.
तो 2 बार रिस्टार्ट किए तब भी नहीं हो रहा है.
किसका?
2 बार रिस्टार्ट किया सर तब भी नहीं हो रहा है सर.
MS Word का DOC और DOCX. डॉग टॉक्स. हाँ, यस
सर 2 बार मैंने रिस्टार्ट किया तब भी नहीं हो रहा है सर, वही दिखा रहा है बस.
UiPath.
हाँ सर.
अभी देखो, मैं पढ़ना पड़ेगा उसमें मुझे कि एक्चुअली इशू क्या है उसमें. ओके.